All right, so tie these up. Let me make sure. Put this one here too. Today we're going to bring some LED lights, and these are awesome. They have the magnetic in the back, and they come assembled with 4 of them. And this is perfect. So when you're going to go underneath of it, a sink, or you're going to work on your car, they do have a micro USB to charge. Every single one needs to be charged. So that's pretty much it. But I like the magnet part that you can magnetize anywhere and set it up. If you have stairways, you could set these up in the stairways. You could do double-sided glue and go ahead and double-sided tape and go ahead and put them in the stairway. They last you quite a while, so very simple to use. And they do have a remote control to the part of the assembly. They all come with the remote control. Very simple. We're going to turn them on and see how they work. The LED lights fully charged, and if you don't have the control, they're very durable. You guys can see it, durable. Now, the great thing about it, the touch, if you guys can see it, there is a touch here. There's a touch button right here. It's very sensitive. All you got to do is touch a little bit, and it changes different modes, all right? So the brightest, and then it changes to one tone, and then the yellow tone, if you guys can see it. The best thing about it is that you have your shop. They connect perfect on here. So if you go underneath the table, as long as you have some metal, it will automatically attach itself because of the magnets in the back. And right now we are in a metal shop, actually in a wood shop. We're gonna use these for helping us out. The tool, I like that you could put this anywhere in your tool set and pretty much arrange it how you want. You could even have it on, like I said, put it anywhere you want. You need light. And then you have the remote control. You could turn them off individually, off, and turn them both off, turn them on, have them in your workshop like I do. I have them here all the time. I put the control near me. If I need a light, I take this underneath the desk with me and work on anything I need to do it. But I like to keep it out here and turn them all off and keep it on. And they're pretty bright. So I like you could turn them on, and then you could change it to different tones. And you could even put timer, remote control timer, 15, 30 minutes and 60 minutes, all right? So we could put minus, go lower, and we could low, high them up. And then you could change the different modes with the remote control. Easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video. You can see we can move the lights. I'm underneath the sink. This is perfect for plumbers. You can put it underneath the actual sink because the sink is made of metal.